Reporting live from Green High School. Yo, I have to laugh, but this ain't even funny. Check this out, man. I just see a video of a student. Yo, man, I tell you, the youths in Jamaica nowadays, them not take no check. Them not take no check. I know in my school days that wouldn't happen, because we not do nothing like that to no grown person. No matter how them disrespect we prefer go home, go tell. Right? Or there would be other people that's there to back we up as kids. I said, don't treat the youth them someone rare. But anyway, there's a bunch of things here that we have to talk about. For one, the community ain't protecting the children no more, so the children them have to protect themselves. I'm not here to defend what happened. People, check it out. Morning Thoughts with SouFLoTV. I start off like a slow this morning. It's Friday morning and them thing there. I'm tired out. The week done. I'm about to go enjoy my weekend, but check it. Go over to the Loop, right? Just go to Google and type in Loop News Jamaica. Loop have it on front page. On the front page, scroll down and watch this video of a bus driver in Jamaica stop by a fruit stand to buy some fruits or something from a vendor, a side road vendor, right? And get attacked by a bunch of school kids. Now the school youth, one of the youths had a chopper in his hand. In America, we say chopper meaning an AK-47. That's not what we are talking about. We talking about a chopper like a meat cleaver. The youth had the meat cleaver in his hand. The youth approached the grown man. Although him look bigger than the bus driver, still, him approached the grown man, the bus driver, and he said, "You ready now, pussy? You ready now?" Which tells me that something was happening before, and that youth, I saw scary people fighting up. Usually, your box a scary youth in their mouth, him not say nothing. When him go get a gun, or come back with a knife to stab you up or something, or a machete to chop you up, then he'll come back and talk about, you ready now? You ready now? So anyway, apparently something happened before, right? We can tell that. What happened before? We don't know. Should we chastise the youth them? Yes, because it's bad behavior. But we don't know if this bus driver put hands upon the youth before and the youth now is going to defend himself. Right? Let's get that out the way first. However, the behavior that I saw, boy, may I tell you, the youth, you can see the youth chuck the bus driver in his face, right? And then the next youth pass by, which is them brethren them in the same uniform, box the bus driver in the back of his head, and then be a koof cough quef start. Somebody stepped in, tried to intervene or part it a little bit, end up a tussle with the bus driver anyways. The youth with the meat cleaver though, youth, you will go spend your life at prison. Don't do it. Don't do it. You see, when fight or argument get heated, don't ever have a weapon in your hand unless you plan to use that weapon, because in the heat of the moment, you might actually swing and not meaning to chop, but end up chop somebody. Next thing you know, you bust a vein, so kill somebody, and now you're on your way to prison for murder. Right? So, him slapped the man, slapped him in his face with the meat cleaver, people. And I'm telling you, I'm looking at the video and I'm like, and the video is very short. It won't take up much of your time. It's about 2 minutes long, if that. Right? What I'm saying is this. Don't these youths honor their school uniforms anymore? Because when me I go Knox College, bush in our navy blue pants and our light blue, sky blue jacket, bush jacket. We not do nothing out the road for make people think, ew, Knox nasty, Knox dirty, Knox hooligans. We uphold the standards of the school in public. Yeah? Which brings me to this. I'm telling you a story here before. I've been online before. I wasn't looking for porn, but this come across my thing. And it says Jamaica schoolgirls something. So I clicked on it because I wanted to see what it was, right? It turns out to be a whole bunch of videos of Jamaican schoolgirls are sexing in them uniform. And you talk about big man a ride off some little girl in them school uniform. So you can not only tell who she is if you know her. If you don't know her, you can follow which part and go look and find her, because our school uniform and the crest is telling everything. So, these youths not under them school uniform anymore, or is there no more expulsion, no more threat for violence? Is there no more threat? Are people, are we so lenient in Jamaica towards violent action that the youth them feel like them can get away nowadays with certain things or misbehavior? Because before, you know for a fact, if you get caught out there, like how them youth here get caught out there, if you have on a Knox uniform, you can cancel Christmas, summer, and everything else because there is no more Knox for you. Your parents are going to have to go find alternative schooling for you, right? So, boy, me don't know. I don't know. Me not make the thing upset me. I'm just saying I'm amazed by it. One more thing I'd like to say is the way how we encourage friggery. Looking at the video, remember when the police officer stepping at the party and Boom Boom was DJing, and you had all these people in the party that were dancing to Boom Boom music, playing music and you know selectors do already. When the police come in and start to offer Boom Boom kicking her face and all this, and Boom Boom over there say, kicking her face? Me? Why? What? For what? The same people turn on Boom Boom I talk about behind their camera. Pull out them camera, which the girls did in this video with the schoolboys assaulting. I didn't hear not one person say, hey guys, stop. Don't do it. And where are you going with that meat cleaver? Youth, stop. Me not hear nobody encouraging no good. I don't hear anybody trying to stop anything. Jamaica has become this place where you pull out a cell phone and you enjoy the moment. Even when it's something not worth enjoying. You turn it into a spectacle. Man get shot down a roadside, people pull out them cell phone. Car lick down, man, before somebody administer CPR or try to do something to save the person's life. Them pull out them cell phone. And stay there and video it and then post it on social media. It's sad. It's sad. We have to start to do better. Same thing like the Boom Boom case, the people them, yeah man, kick him in the mouth, man. Kick, like, they want to see it. Just like these girls reporting live from Green Mile High School. I believe this incident happened in Hanover. They also said the youth them, look, the bus driver run, you know. He run go a bus, you know. Cause I know him all get beat up, chop up, cuff, quaff up. The man run go on a bus, right? Them chase him, beat him same way. Fling big stone, bust up the window them on the bus, all kind of something. School students. What do you think should happen? Answer this question in the comment section. These questions. 1, do you think that Jamaican school youths are totally out of control? 2, do you think that something transpired as far as the bus driver must have put his hands on the youth before and the youth feel the need to defend himself? I don't know where him get meat cleaver so quick. Apparently, he probably walk with one in his bag. Who knows? Do you think? Or 3, do you think that these children should be expelled or, yes, permanently thrown out of the school? Or do you think other action should be taken? Do you think that police officers should get involved and bring criminal charges against especially the youth with the meat cleaver? Because they box the police officer with the meat cleaver. That could have been a chop. I think I heard one person say, "Wait, make sure you not chop him, you know." But it's okay if you box him with the meat cleaver. But hold it skillfully. Like the Jamaican woman who beat her picnic with the machete. Hold it skillfully so we can call you skillful. And forget about the violent act of beating somebody with a machete, swinging a long sharp blade, which you could have actually incidentally turned it and chopped the person. I don't know. A Friday here, sir. I'm going in to go get my daily bread. Gonna see it in our background. You already know what time it is. Enjoy your weekend, people. Big up on yourself. At SouFLoTV. I'm out of here, man. Progress. Productivity. That was it. No time for waste time. We not got time for no waste time. That mine on my money, on my money, on my mind. They shot at them a pre the dollar sign. Who said that? I'm out. Peace.